In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly use Manychat on TikTok in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Manychat or need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you're set up and ready to go with your TikTok integration. Let's dive right in by getting you logged into Manychat. First, you'll want to head over to the official Manychat website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Manychat, or simply by clicking the link available in our description. Once you're there, look for the sign in button. This is your gateway to all the exciting features Manychat has to offer, so go ahead and click it. Once you've logged into your Manychat account, you'll land on the Manychat home screen. This is essentially the control room for everything you'll be doing. You can manage all your bots and integrations right from here. Now locate and click on the Home tab on the Manychat interface. It's usually found in the menu options. This might seem straightforward, but making sure you're in the right section helps in navigating through the other steps smoothly. Next up is accessing the settings. To do that, find the settings option on the Manychat toolbar. Clicking here will get you closer to linking TikTok to your Manychat account. Once inside the settings, you'll see various options on your dashboard. Focus on the channel section because that's where the magic happens with integrations. When you're in the channel section, it's time to focus on TikTok. Look for the TikTok option within the available channels. It's crucial at this stage to ensure you're selecting the correct platform you wish to integrate. Click on TikTok and this action prepares your account for the connection. You're almost there. Now you'll need to establish the connection between Manychat and TikTok. Find the connect button in the TikTok section of the channel settings and give it a click. It's this connection that will allow Manychat to interact with your TikTok account, bringing all the automation power to your fingertips. At this point, you should have successfully linked Manychat with your TikTok account. From engaging with your audience to automating responses, the integration expands your capacity to manage interactions effectively. Be sure to explore the additional settings and configurations available through Manychat to optimize how you communicate with your audience on TikTok. And that's it, you've just learned how to use Manychat with TikTok in just a matter of minutes. Now you're ready to take advantage of all that Manychat has to offer through your TikTok presence. Thank you for watching and happy automating.